Hey guys, welcome back. The final round of Formula Drift's coming up this weekend. So James Dean has about a 70-point lead, but I guess he could still technically lose the top spot in the championship. However, I just wanted to jump in and give Irwindale a go. So the layout I have is the 2016 to 2018 layout, but it seems similar enough anyway. Also another DWG S13 this time. So this one has a Redtop SR20, which makes 400 horsepower with a GTX 3071 and just the normal adjustable coilovers and arms, 390 newton meters, and that's in a 1200 kilo car. So with that, let's jump in. All right, in the S13, so we start out in the pits here. So come out onto the track. So if we drive around to the start, all right, so you got your start here. We'll just do a lap around. So you 1, 2, 3 cones. So you're meant to ride the wall around here. Think about that mark there. You bring it in, transition to flick back and hit this in a clip. Then back around the outside of the wall, follow that around. And then come into this inner clip. And then just keep going with this outer zone there. Which looks like it might have been an inner clip in this layout, but when I went back and rewatched last year, it's an outer zone now. So we'll see how we go. This isn't a comp. I don't think these are comp cars, these are more street cars, but alright, so I'm in third. So just give it a flick. Came out of drift, but at least kept it off the wall. Just try and gather the car back up again. Just hit the bumper. So all these layouts always seem easy when you're watching them, but then, yeah, trying it at Assetto, a bit more difficult. Alright, so let's try again. Third. So yeah, not near the wall. Probably a straighten up there. Keep it off the wall. No. So turn 1, I do find quite difficult. I actually just find this whole layout a bit more difficult than I thought it was going to be. Alright, we'll go for lap 3. Not a bad run this time. So that's something I have found with this car. Seem to pop tires. So this one must have damage turned on. So I was doing, well, I was doing a fairly clean lap I thought, but that one kind of ruined it. Alright, so how I'm trying to tackle this one is basically just use third gear the whole way, but alright, so start near the top of third. Try not to put too much angle on. Oh, not too much angle. And just big straighten up the end. So something I've kind of learnt on this track, and I've had to learn it on other FD tracks, is I can't just hold it flat. I need to keep it around that 70% throttle. Give myself the option to put more power down and get the car more sideways when I need to. So I've got it flat there to try and rotate the rear around. And get to back off there. And killed the tyre again. I think this is the only car I've ever had that issue with tyres. So yeah, this track's really made me focus on throttle control, not just put your foot flat. So try and keep not too much angle there. Because if I put too much angle on, I don't have the big straighten up. I don't have power to keep it going. But if I just keep a shallow angle, at least I can hold it in a drift to try and keep it up the top of the bank. Alright, so we'll try third again. Oh, I hit a bump. Feels like I hit a bump there. No good. I guess I didn't pop a tyre that time. Alright, in a clip. Just run out of juice in third. So, do you like the S13? I don't like being on the wrong side of the car for me. Alright. Probably too much angle. I'm not going to hold it. Slide into the wall. I'll have a couple more goes. But yeah, I'm starting to get the hang of it. Alright, third. Flick with the clutch kit. Just try and keep shallow drift angle. Wind more angle on there. Settle the car out without too much angle. My tire pops. I don't know if it's the rough track, maybe all these cars have this like damage on tires, and it's just the transition between the bank and the flat that's just wrecking them. Alright, so flick, just shallow angle, get it in, look it back. Don't want too much angle, and start to dial some more on to get this clip. Out of zone, we're going to hit the wall. So yeah, after a few laps, definitely starting to get the hang of it. Alright, third again. One way flick. Shallow angle. Straighten up. Yeah, it's a good car for practice. In fact, all the do you like all the DWG cars? Yeah, there's another gun in the door in this one. Maybe I've used this one before then. Not sure I'm going. Alright, third. Try and keep a shallow angle. Actually, I don't know how close I am to the wall. Came out of the drift then. Too much. Just took it from the back into the wall. Should only be a couple more laps till the tyre pops again, and I'll call it quits, but just having fun in this car and this layout now. Traction control not available. So if I start putting on too much angle, I'm going to come out of the drift. Click. There we go, tyres popped. Well, yeah, Irwindale was fun to try. I might just reset this so I don't hear that tyre. Irwindale was fun to try. It's one of the interesting, like probably more interesting layouts. You get to run the bank and have that transition, and then another wall run to the inside. But yeah, I guess there's a long drift, so tandems. Battle should be pretty good. Just watching them, yeah, should have lots of time to get on the doors. But yeah, I really enjoyed that, and the car. It's 400 horsepower from a 2-liter, so it, seems to make good power. It's just this turn here, I'm trying to control the angle of your drift and not just throw a huge angle in, but keep it shallow so I have the power to keep pushing the car through. Yeah, and looking forward to the weekend. Looks like James Dean has it, but it could be an upset. With that, thanks for watching, guys.